Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find a lost iPhone even if it's dead or offline. First of all, take your other phone. From here you have to go to the web address and type icloud.com/find. Hit enter. iCloud Find device will open. From here you have to select it. I don't know why it's in another language. You have to enter your email, the iCloud email of the iPhone that you have lost, or it is dead, or it is offline. After you're signed in, it will show you a map. iPhone has actually a feature which will tell you the last known location of your dead or offline iPhone. So if you lost your iPhone in your friend's house and it's dead, then it will tell you the last known location of your iPhone, which is also your friend's house. So after that, you will be able to recover your phone, and that's how to find a lost iPhone even if it's dead or offline. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.